Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can move a website design file, for example, on Penpot to another team. So to relocate it, for example, in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, here in Penpot, what you need to do is navigate to the given team here in the top left. I will go with this one and let me move that, for example, to another team. So let me create one for the sake of this tutorial. Click into create new team here, example team or something like that. So let me switch to that team here back, then navigate to projects, and from your project select the given file by clicking into these three dots, hover your mouse over move to, click into it, and then select a new location. For example, you can go with a different project and move the file there or to the drafts folder, or click into move to other team and then select your other team. For example, the drafts or the other folder here. So as you can see now, it's in team 02. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.